Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an SD card for WhatsApp storage. Many smartphones come with limited internal storage, and WhatsApp media can quickly fill it up. Moving your WhatsApp data to an SD card can free up significant space, allowing your phone to run more smoothly. This also makes it easier to manage your media files and transfer them to other devices, giving you more control over your digital life. To begin, you'll want to move your existing WhatsApp data. First, ensure you have a recent chat backup to Google Drive for safety. Then, open your phone's file manager and find the WhatsApp folder, usually located in your internal storage. Select this entire folder and choose the option to copy or move it to your SD card. This process can take a few minutes, depending on the amount of data you have, so be patient. Unfortunately, WhatsApp doesn't offer a direct setting to save new incoming media straight to your SD card. However, you can manage this by adjusting your media auto-download settings within WhatsApp to prevent automatic saving to internal storage. For new media you do download, you'll need to periodically move it manually from your phone's internal storage to the SD card using your file manager. Some users also explore third-party applications to automate this transfer process. For optimal performance and data security, always use a high-quality, fast SD card, preferably a Class 10 or higher. Regularly back up your SD card's contents to a cloud service or computer to prevent data loss. It's also crucial to safely eject your SD card before physically removing it from your phone to avoid corruption. Periodically check your SD card for any errors using your phone's storage settings to ensure its health and reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.